First, let me say that we condole with the family of Honorable Were, as I have said that before, but let me just repeat here to say our condolences to the family of Honorable Were. And that incident is shocking. The circumstances under which the Member of Parliament was killed, the manner in which it was done, despite even him having security and him having been conscious about his own life and gone public about the same. It is regrettable that it turned out as it did. Luckily, it is within my knowledge that we have made very significant progress in arresting the perpetrators and their collaborators. And it will shock you to note that this is a very heinous crime that was done in a very cavalier manner, involving people that ordinarily some should have taken good care of the interests of the Member of Parliament. And so in the process, we want to affirm that the government of Kenya is committed to making sure that those perpetrators, some which have been arrested and others, their collaborators who will be arrested anytime soon, will be brought to book. They will be, they will be an example. Their discipline will be an example. Their punishment will be an example to anyone who thinks that they can run away from the law and who thinks that they can hide from such crimes. I think that the manner in which the police were able to pick very quickly those who are involved is a signal that anyone who is trying to harm another Kenyan, not just the Member of Parliament, for any citizen, we have the tools and the abilities to be able to arrest them. And by the way, let me remind the people of Kenya, despite the sometimes criticism that comes from some quarters, every single day the National Police Service and our officers are arresting different kind of criminals all over the country that are either attempting robberies, attempting murder, and thanks to our police officers, a lot of this has been foiled. Going forward, we will continue improving on our security systems to protect every citizen, including those who are in office. On the incident that happened during His Excellency's function, I think that is something under investigations, and therefore I leave it at that to show whether there was really security lapse or whether there was intention or motive to harm the president, or it was a different issue. So the investigation is ongoing, but Kenyans need to know that the security of the president is a matter of national security, and it cannot be taken for granted. It's not easy to take for granted the security of the president because of the consequences that can ensue if a president is armed, is harmed in any way. But also let's all remember that there are always very evil people all over the world that try to attack VIPs, citizens, and so forth. And so our security forces are alert insofar as that issue is concerned. But for Honorable Were's situation, you will be getting the final comprehensive report from the security officers, thanks to the thorough investigations that have gone into it, and the collaborators that will also be arrested, considering that the other suspects have already been arrested.
MPs safe?
MPs safe? Yeah, not just MPs, the people of Kenya are safe. It's our duty to protect all the people of Kenya. It will be responsible of me as a Cabinet Secretary for Interior to focus on a certain class of citizens and say ministers should be safe, MPs should be safe, or MCS should be safe, or governor should be safe. Everybody must be safe in his own country. We must live in a nation where everybody feels safe, and that is our duty to make sure that regardless of your position, you are safe, and that is our responsibility. And so these incidences of robbery here, assault here, murder here, helps us to improve on our systems, improve on our technology. You will know from the evidence that came as a result of the attack of and killing of Honorable Were, the technology that we have has enabled the police officers to quickly arrest all those people. So that's why I'm warning people who are imagining that they can get away from it. They will not, and therefore they just better choose peace and choose the right path because the punishment will be severe. Yes. Sorry, then I'll come to you.
Waziri, kuna katika majukwaa ambayo yalipita uligusia kuhusu matumizi ya mitandao na pia amezungumza ndugu yake vijana kwamba vijana wasizuiwe, ikiashiria kwamba wizara yako inakandamiza ama inazima sauti ya vijana ambao wanatumia mitandao. Unajibu gani?
Itakuwa ni makosa kusema kwamba kila wakati Mkenya yoyote akiwa encourage ni kusema ni kwa Kiswahili kuhimiza, isiwe kwamba kila wakati Mkenya yoyote akihimiza vijana wajikaze, wao ni nguzo wa taifa, hawa ni wale tunawategemea, wahakikishe kwamba mabadiliko kwa nchi yao inakuwa bora. Ati kila wakati kila mmoja akisema hivyo anasema kwa sababu anapinga serikali. Hiyo ni interpretations yenu. Mtu yoyote mwenye ana challenge, ana encourage vijana wajikaze kwa kimaisha, wajikaze kwa kuongozi, wajitokeze kuongoza taifa. Mimi pia ninataka kusema hivyo kwamba ninawasihi vijana wote wa Kenya wachukue jukumu lao la kuhakikisha kwamba wanajiingiza katika uwanja ya uongozi katika taifa, kwa sababu tunahitaji uwezo wao, tunahitaji nguvu ya vijana, tunahitaji akili mpya ya vijana kuhakikisha kwamba uongozi kwa taifa letu linasonga mbele. Pia ninakubaliana kwamba vijana wetu wakuwe kipaumbele kupigana na ufisadi, kupigana na maadili, kuhakikisha kwamba maadili mema yanahimizwa katika taifa na kupigana na mabaya yanayoendelea katika nchi. Wakiona kwamba kuna mtu yoyote katika serikali amekosea, kama ni kwamba ya mambo ya ufisadi, kama kuna mtu yoyote amekosea ama legea katika kazini, ninaomba vijana wakuwe nguzo ya taifa kusimama kuhakikisha kwamba mabaya kwa taifa letu kite misisi. Kwa hivyo mimi itakuwa makosa sana kusema kwamba Mkenya yoyote mwenye anajaribu kuwatia moyo vijana wajikaze, kutia moyo vijana wahakikishe kwamba wamesimama katika uongozi, kutia moyo vijana kwamba sauti yao lazima isikike. Hakuna makosa yoyote, mtu yoyote atasema hivyo. Yale ambayo tulikuwa tunapinga ni watu ambao watatumia vijana vibaya, waseme kwamba mjitokeze mfanye fujo, mjitokeze mfanye matuzi, mjitokeze mfanye vita. Hapana. Mimi nataka wa vijana wote, na hiyo ni haki yao, hata nisiposema ni haki yao, kwamba vijana wote lazima wajitokeze kuhakikisha kwamba kuna maadili mema katika taifa letu na kwamba uongozi wa taifa letu inakuzia zaidi mambo ya kupeleka nchi yetu mbele. Pole, Kiswahili imenilemea kidogo.